Good morning to all present here. Respected principal, teachers, members of jury, and my dear friends. We are going to present a skill on the topic substance abuse. We hope you all take a lesson from our topic, and we hope you all take a lesson from our skill and vote to stay away from this evil called substance abuse. The stage is set at the school corridor. Rod is hanging out with Roman, looking nervous.
Hi Raj, what's up?
Oh, hi Aman, I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine. You don't look fine, Raj. What are you exactly worried about?
Yes, I'm worried about my board exams that are coming and my reports also. This maths and physics doesn't go in my mind.
Yes, the exams are big trouble. The maths and the science, it goes out of mind.
Yes, in maths there are polynomials and in physics gravity. I can't tolerate these all.
And that maths sir is always behind me.
He's the biggest trouble in this world.
Come on, let's get away from it. I have a solution for this.
And what's that solution?
Try these, Raj.
What are these, Roman?
These are cigarettes, Raj.
No, Roman, I can't try these.
Oh, come on, just try it once.
No, Roman, these are dangerous. This can harm my health. I cannot try these.
Don't take like it, Raj. It's just one. Everyone does it. Look at me, how could I?
No, Roman, I said these are dangerous to health. I will not try these.
Just take it once, Raj. You will feel amazing.
No, Aman, I said now, I advise you to leave this.
It's just one, Raj. Just take it once. Just try it.
Okay, Rohan, if you are saying that I should try once. What are these, Rohan?
Enjoy it, Raj. Just enjoy it.
Hey Raj, what are you doing?
No, nothing, Aman, nothing.
What is it, Raj?
No, Aman, these are nothing.
You know, this stuff is dangerous for you.
No, Aman, I don't want to talk to you. Just go from there.
Oh, look, Mr. Perfect. Why don't you just chill, Aman?
Why are you pushing Raj into this addiction?
You just mind your own business and stay away from me.
I will.
Aman shake his hand and exit. Raj looked conflicted. The stage is now Rod's room. He looks stressed with crumpled papers around him. Rod's sister, Neha, enters.
Hey Raj, what are you doing?
No, nothing, Priya.
Go play with your friends outside.
I said, Neha, I don't want to go outside.
You have been in here all day. What's going on?
Everything is fine, Neha. I can't focus on anything anymore.
You have been different lately. Is something wrong? You can share it with me.
No, Neha, nothing wrong. I said, now just leave me alone.
Okay, fine.
Neha exits wallet. Raj take out the cigarette and light it, looking more stressed. Raj standing in the school playground and Aman approaches Raj.
Hey Raj, what are you doing? Raj, we need to talk. I'm really worried about you.
There is nothing to talk about, Aman. I said, now just go from here.
Raj, this addiction, it's changed you. You're not yourself anymore.
I'm fine, Aman. Why does everyone keep bothering me every time?
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
No, nothing, Priya, nothing.
No, Priya. Raj is at a turn where you two were tangled once.
Oh, what are you saying?
He's facing a smoking addiction. You should explain it to him.
Raj, Aman is fine. Wait, where are you? I thought I could handle it. But addiction or it took my life.
Who are you? Why do I listen to you? You just don't mind own your business.
Please listen to me first, Raj. It wasn't easy. I needed help and I am glad I asked for it. And you can do, Raj.
Okay.
You need to think about it.
Okay, Priya, if you are saying then I will think about it. But what should I do now?
I think you should consult the school counselor.
Yeah, she's right. You should consult the school counselor.
Now
Okay.
I'm leaving, guys. Bye. Take care.
Come.
Okay, fine.
The stage is now Dr. Sharma's office.
May I come in, doctor?
Yes, please. Have a seat. Yes, what's your name?
I'm Aman. He's Raj.
Yes, what's the matter?
He wants to discuss something with you.
Yes, Raj, how can I help you?
Doctor, I am in a great trouble. I have been doing things that are not good for me. I have been using cigarettes and these are getting out of control, doctor.
What? Cigarettes at such a young age?
Sorry, doctor, I am so sorry. I know it's wrong, but what could I do now?
Okay, calm down. It's a brave step to come here. And admitting there is a problem is the first step of recovery.
Yes, doctor, I know this. I don't want to feel like this anymore. I want to be normal again.
Calm down, Raj. You are not alone in this. We will help you. We can find a way to overcome this addiction. But have you told your parents?
No, ma'am, no. I can't tell them about this.
You should tell them they are the only well-wishers. They will help you.
Okay, ma'am, if you are saying then I will tell them today only.
Yes, you need to tell them.
Okay, ma'am, I will tell.
It is evening time
Thank
and
you,
Raj
doctor.
is at home and his mother is calling everyone for evening tea.
Come on, Neha. Come here, Raj. The tea is ready. Neha, Raj,
Coming.
where is your dad? He always complains about the tea being cold, but never comes on time.
Dad, where are you?
Coming, beta, coming.
What happened, Raj? Why are you so upset?
No, nothing, ma'am, nothing.
Tell me, beta, what is it?
No, mom, there is nothing to talk about. I am fine.
But you don't look fine. I am your mother. I can look through you. Please tell me, what is it?
Mom, there is something I need to tell you.
What is it, beta?
Mom, I am so sorry. I have been using cigarettes and these are getting out of control. What should I do now?
Cigarettes?
Punishing him is not a solution. We must first listen to him.
Yes.
Mom, Dad, but one day I was hanging out in the corridor and then Rohan approaches me. Then he insisted me to do so.
I already told you that Rohan was a bad influence, but you did not listen to me. This is the result of not listening to your parents.
Sorry, Mom, I am wrong. But what should I do now?
Why didn't you tell us?
Dad, I was scared. I didn't want to disappoint you both.
We are here for you, Raj. We'll help you get through this.
Thanks, Neha, for understanding my situation.
Raj, we are a family. We'll overcome this problem together. Don't worry, beta.
Okay, Mom, thanks for understanding my situation.
The stage is now the school auditorium. Raj stands at the podium speaking to his classmates.
Hello everyone, I am Raj. I am here to share my story, not because it's easy, but because it's important. I let myself get pulled into this addiction, but with the help of my friends, my family, and Dr. Sharma, I am here on the road to recovery.
Aman and Priya stand beside him.
Addiction is not something that anyone should face alone. If any of you is struggling, then reach out. There is always someone who cares for you.
And so Raj learned that it's never too late to make a change. With the support of those around him, he found the strength to break free from addiction. Remember, the first step to overcoming any challenge is asking for help. Let's take a pledge to stay away from this evil called substance abuse.
I hereby pledge
That I will
lead an addiction-free life.
addiction-free life.
I commit to making healthy choices, respecting my body and mind, and staying away from substances or habits that can harm me. I will seek support if needed, and will encourage the others to do the same. I choose a path of wellness, strength, and self-respect today and every day.
No addiction.
Well done, my friend.